Hey guys, welcome. This is Jeffrey Gamer, and now I changed my this, and here they're dying because why they're dying? Because they're so strong. They're dying in the wall. They're dying. Go and help them. They're dying. Look at them. And this is the control. Now I changed it because I want it. Well, it's brand new. And I keep to change it all the time I want. And now I'm gonna make an O5 console. Don't name Savage. Well, you see, they're not dying now. You see, they're not dying. They're not dying. They're not dying. You see, there's glass. There's glass in the facility with a glass. Yeah, there's in the glass. And now there's more. And look, that's my body because I just tested it. And now look at that. It looks like blood and bones. To pick one ever. Well, the bones too. Well, with them, they're excited. Brand new home. They're not dying. They're not dead. They're not dead. And they're not dead. Let's close that door. They're not dying anymore. They're not dying. They're not dying. Well, we're gonna make an O5 console. Yeah, I'm gonna get this, and this, and then some, wait just a minute, okay, because all the time this is what happens, and don't mind me, I have because I just snip some Lego, now I have this, now at the time it's gone, now it's not. And don't mind me, I'm doing my things. Well, now there we go. There we go. First I'm gonna get my not there. If you wanna get this, you're gonna go into, if you want to have that thing, the command block, the command block. Gonna this. Gonna just pause it if you wanted to. I'm gonna look, there we go. Now we're gonna just gonna do it. There we go. You see, now it looks like a butt. To me, it looks like I don't know. Well, now it's time to put some over here, right with this big spider with this nasty piece of thing like that. I don't know. Daytime. What the heck? Daytime. And don't mind that bark, because that barking sound, that's my Uno. His name is Uno because she's a Uno. Damn Uno. Dash. S P. There we go. There. I forgot it. There we go. Dang it. And what he said? Damn. I almost forgot it about. Said 1066. 1066. 1066. 1066. So 66 and then damn it. Why the hell this happens? God damn it. And now it says 7015. 7015. 70115. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Damn. I knew it. Yeah, I knew it. Babe. What the hell? Where am I? Yeah. It's perfect. There we go. See. It's right. Wait. That means it's there. That means goes over straight up and it is perfect. Look at this straight line over there. That means straight over there. That's weird. Wait, let's try again. Ah! Wait, let's go again. What the hell? It goes over. There we go. I'm perfect over here because yeah, I should go over here. Damn. Well, and I'm watching some of the Loudhouse because today. And now there's no distract. Yeah. There we go. And don't mind my voice because I'm just like I just eat a I don't all the time I drink water, but I forgot about it. I'll go put this and this. Let's try if it is perfectly fine. Bang, bang. Wait, wrong. And see. Well, there we go. Is it right? Yeah, correct. Oh, I get it. Why is happening like that? Why did I do this? Yeah. Why did I do this? All the time. Messed up. Look at that. No power. Just it's so weak. Really weak. Yeah. Wait. Please. Wait. Forgot about again. How it's work. Oh, I get it. There we go. There we go. Well, there we go. There we go. Oh, wrong. I'm just excited. Oh, wrong. Well, how this is happening to me? There we go. There we go. Yeah. It happens all the time. If someone don't drink the water, I will like this. I will like, yeah. Shame of me. What happens why this happens like this? A troll. If someone just stand there and there's an elevator trap, and no one goes out. This is weird. Oh god damn. I don't get it. Well guys, we're going to damn why this why no. Now I'm gonna this. It's time to burn this place up because I want to burn a place up. Burn the mother nature in Minecraft. But I got the mother nature in my. I just got it. I got it. Flashbang to the green bean. Yeah. What the hell is that? Oh yeah, I have those. Burning up because they are woods. Wait, I have a bad idea. I got a bad idea. And it's not great, but it's great. We're gonna burn this place up with my fire. Fight with fire with fire. Jesus. Burn this place up with fire, bitches. Hell yeah. Burn this place. Burn this place, you guys. Burn it. Oh my god, burn this place up. Burn this place up. No. Faster. Burn this place up, guys. I need to burn. Burn the beast. Burn the beast. Burn the beast. They're born. They're born. They're not born. They're burned. Wait. Where's that bloody skeleton that's dead? There go, bone, but it's going to like a human bone, but it's like you with a yo, not my. Ah, God, why? It's what happens all the time, guys. It's what happens every time, guys. And wait, what the? What's this? Look at this, guys. I left fire. We're lucky. Look, there's fire. Now put this place fire. Fire time. This start to a fire forest. I call it the fire forest because it's full of fires. Now I call it the fire forest. Look at them, they're stupid. They're dumb. They're not thinking. Look at this. They're not avoiding it. They're really killing it. Now look at them. They're dead. Oh wait, wait. This mobile gun 5 hours or not? Okay. And now the fire gun. Well, we're gonna wait. Look at this fire burns. Wow. Well, yeah. Well, that's what it. This happens all the time. Time to put some flares up. Yeah, I should make that. Well, it should be up. Oh, what? Well, it's time to put some there. First, we're gonna burn this place up again. It's fire! Fire with fire, fire with fire. Burn the place up until this burns. Burn the place up until it burns. Burn the place up until it burns. Burn. It's time to burn this place up because that's a lot of skeletons. They're still not burning. Look at them. Look at this forest. It's burning. And I have no care. It's Minecraft, guys. It's Minecraft. Oh my god. Take this out. Okay. Oh. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna wait just a minute, guys, because I'm gonna find this is a lot of whoa, that escalated quickly. Dum 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 dum. them. Damn it. Well, time to release the base. Let them. Wait, ah! This happens. Why? Time to make some cafeteria. And I don't wanna be mean. I'm gonna make some cafeteria for they don't die. All the time dead like 4. So nah, I don't wanna. It's my world. I'm not hungry, but I'm hungry in real world. In this overworld. Well, I'm gonna put some here. This happens all the time. Damn. I hate it. Why? What happened? Why? It's over and over. Wait, I have a plan to take away. I have a plan, guys. You see this? This looks like a time. Boom. Take off this ground. Take this ground away. And I don't wanna take this away. Well, this works. Guys, this works. This works. This works, guys. This is awesome. This one clears away the problem. Now look at this. Just ground. Just a rock. We win! Oh God. This will be the O5 console. All the time I'm innocent in this world, but I'm not innocent enough. All the time. Wow, it's night, and now just night. Look at this. They're just standing there, not aware over there and there. Just standing there, just doing nothing. And now just look. They're doing because I'm away. This is. There. What the fuck? Gonna make this whole thing fix. Okay, guys. Make this fix. And everything I made is hard work. And well. There we go. There we go. And, just a minute. Yeah. Yes. Burn. Or, I mean, explode. Look at that. This looks like a I got her. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. Look at this. See? There we go. Look at that. Look at that. I love exploding. It's my life. Time to explode. Something I want. I guess I have no care and I don't wanna steal back console. Time to destroy I wanna no. I don't know what I'm gonna pick. It's too hard. I'm dizzy. All the time. Oh, I got there. Okay. I found it. Found it, guys. Found it. There we go. There we go. Just a minute. There. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So, guys, don't forget this and this. No. Change the wall. guys, this is the part of the video. I'm sorry it's too long. Wait, what the? That? Hey, I just kidding, because you see, if I just do this, that means it's gonna look, it's gonna walk. Looks like it's going to walk there. You see that? You see? This looks like walking. Well, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it. I'm sorry it's too long, and I hope you like it, and please enjoy it, and please subscribe and like the video. If you don't like it, just like, and you can comment, and see you in today, and goodbye.